What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode, and today we're taking a look at Travis Scott's Circus Maximus Utopia merch. Now, if you didn't know, today was the start of the Utopia concert era, and boy, what a banger. And for those of you that didn't know, of course, today Travis Scott had his first concert of the Utopia era in Rome, Italy. It was an amazing and legendary performance, and we're going to take a look at some clips that were actually provided from the show today. And before we go any further, I gotta give a special shout out to my homie streetwear, aka Alessandro here. He actually provided us with some clips and videos from the concert, and he was lucky enough to attend it today. I met him through these YouTube videos, so make sure you guys give him a follow, and go ahead and follow me at wedontcookfood. I love interacting with you guys and supporting the real ones. Now, if you haven't heard the news by now, tonight Travis Scott brought out Kanye West for his first performance in a hot minute. Two legends on the same stage at the same time. Who would have thought? Now, before we get started and taking a look at this brand new Circus Maximus merch, I wanted to show you guys a clip. Man, I'm not gonna lie, I low-key got goosebumps watching this shit. And honestly, the way Travis was having a tantrum at the beginning, that's how I felt about me not getting my merch when I made that video yesterday. And as we all know, with every great tour announcement, there's always some merch that goes along with it. Now, although these pieces weren't available online for long, and we're going to take a look at them here in a second, I'm actually really disappointed in them. My buddy Alessandro was able to give me some details about the actual merch at the event tonight, and him, along with other people, also mentioned that it was very, very rushed and it looked very low quality. And apparently a lot of people were actually passing on merch because it definitely wasn't the greatest looking. And of course, we were just looking at a t-shirt for the song Fiend featuring Playboi Carti that was posted on Travis Scott's Instagram story. Let me know what you guys think of that song in the comments. Now, unfortunately, I wasn't at home when this merch initially dropped, but thanks to a couple real ones that let me know on Instagram, I was able to actually get this screen grab. And as you guys can see, there's not a whole lot of variety when it comes to this Circus Maximus merch. The one that surprised me the most was this $15 live stream ticket just to be able to watch the concert performance tonight. And what I recommend you do is you go on YouTube and you type in the performance Circus Maximus at Rome. That way you're able to watch it because it was definitely a hell of a show. And like I said, he did go ahead and bring out Kanye. Now, I did want to kind of just go ahead and scroll through the rest of this drop so we can take a look at it together. And personally, I think it's kind of insane. Although I like the designs of these Circus Maximus merch pieces, I'm not happy about the fact that this is another piece that's going to take 12 to 16 weeks or 3 to 4 months when you look at it that way. It honestly kind of deters me, and the fact that I still haven't received any updates on my previous shipping, that definitely lets me know that I'm going to pass on this upcoming merch. And shipping issues aside, I will say I like the idea that we got a new Utopia jacket. However, you can miss me with that 3 to 4 month shipping. Now, this tee right here blows me the most because if you didn't know, this was actually given out for free at select AMC Theater on the debut night of the Circus Maximus movie. And don't get me wrong, I think it's great that people who weren't able to get it are able to get their hands on it, but the fact that they're charging $55 even is too crazy to me. Now, this next tee is probably my favorite, and it's featured on Travis Scott's Instagram story, as you guys can see here. It's basically a memento for the first Utopia show in Rome, which again I think is super legendary even if he didn't bring out Kanye, and I just wanted to go over what this shirt looked like with you. As you can see, there is a front and back to it, and personally, if I didn't have any merch before this and I had to pick, I'd probably pick this one out of the three. Even though I don't wear a whole lot of white because it tends to get dirty easily, I think this one is pretty hard. But also, given that we were all finessed on this Utopia merch shipping, I have a feeling the only reason they uploaded these new pieces was to try to sell that $15 live stream ticket, which I still think is insane. Now, I did want to point out this Fiend crew neck just to get your guys' opinion compared to this piece that was posted on his IG story, and again, gauge your opinion about the song. I'm definitely a fan of the song itself, and I've got it stuck in my head most of the day. And let me know in the comments if you guys are rocking with that new deep voice Playboi Carti. Now, I just wanted to go through the rest of this drop while I was on my phone to see if anything else slipped through the cracks. However, unfortunately, all we got were those 3 new pieces. And if you want my honest opinion after all these videos I've made about this Utopia drop, I'm honestly really disappointed. It's one thing if they would have told us it would just ship when it ships. However, the fact that they misled all of us with that first week shipping when it comes to the first bundles, I'm definitely not happy about it. And again, I hope that we all start getting some shipping confirmation soon. Now, these next few clips were provided by my buddy Alessandro, who was able to attend the Circus Maximus show, and again, I'm very thankful for that. Honestly, it looks super insane, and I tried my best to upload this video without it getting taken down due to copyright, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Now, as I was saying, this is now my 3rd time trying to upload this video because YouTube keeps taking it down with the copyright strikes. So shout out to Travis, shout out to my boy Alessandro, and make sure you guys check out the rest of the concert online. Now, with all that being said, guys, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for checking it out. You might as well go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what you guys think about this latest Circus Maximus merch. And if you ask me, I wouldn't be surprised if we see at least one more Utopia merch drop. Personally, I'm a little bit disappointed still with the way the shipping has gone down, but if there are some dope pieces, I might take a look at them. If you made it this far, as always, thank you so much for cooking with the kitchen. Let me know what you guys would like to see next, and remember to follow me on Instagram at wedontcookfood. I'm following everybody back that comes from these YouTube videos. As always, guys, stay safe. Thank you for cooking with the kitchen, and it's lit. Straight up. Peace.